What's up guys, Dave, Maginger Customs. It's different little short today. So we have a local gentleman, he's got a college program where he's getting a welding certification. And we get a lot of samples come in from a lot of manufacturers. I particularly love the Arccaptain stuff, always been a big fan. It's best that they go to people that need them, right? I got a pile of welders. I would rather have people have them that want them and need them and can use them. So what we're doing is, that's Carl.
I'm Carl, I'm at CT State, it's Nuntuck campus, and I'm pretty much just trying to weld and get some practice outside of school.
So what we're gonna do is, we have obviously a plethora of Arccaptain products. So what I figured out of the bunch that I have this MIG205Pro. What Carl's doing mostly is stick welding right now, but he's doing some MIG there, and they're going to eventually do TIG. This is a DC unit, so this thing will MIG, flux core, stick. It will weld aluminum with a graphene liner. It will do lift TIG. So this machine had been rock solid for us. So on behalf of Arccaptain and Maginger Customs, we're giving Carl this machine to move forward with his welding career, and hope it helps you out.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.